Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You start by inserting the picture into your worksheet and confirming the Picture Format tab appears. This is where Removal Tools live. Once done, crop and resize to reduce noise because a tighter subject gives cleaner results. Make sure the image contrast is decent so Excel can detect edges. Next, click Picture Format, then Remove Background to begin. Excel auto-selects areas to keep and remove based on contrast and edges, so you don't waste time on guessing where to click first. Once Excel shows the magenta mask, zoom in and inspect edges closely. This view helps you decide where to refine. Use mark areas to keep to draw strokes over subject parts Excel removed, and mark areas to remove for lingering background bits. Make small, deliberate strokes because large marks can confuse the algorithm. When you make a mistake, use delete mark or undo to correct it. As you refine, toggle the preview so you can compare the cleaned image to the original and adjust until edges look natural. When satisfied, click Keep Changes to make the background transparent and exit the tool. This commits the mask so you can move or layer the image. To preserve transparency outside Excel, right-click, Save as Picture, and choose PNG format. If edges look jagged or some areas are missing, undo and rerun Remove Background on a duplicate sheet. Sometimes starting from a fresh copy with minor crop adjustments yields cleaner masks. If problems persist, boost contrast or edit in a dedicated image editor before repeating these steps.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.